Okay, now we are coming back to a new portion which is telling about function overloading. This function overloading explains the way the polymorphism is working in the programming. We studied what is polymorphism in the beginning. Objects belonging to the same class is behaving differently. That is what is known as polymorphism. In Java, the polymorphism is implemented through the function overloading. Now, what is function overloading? Functions are having same name with a difference in their signature. What is signature? The number of arguments as well as the data type of the arguments. I specified in the previous videos about the parameters, the list of parameters. Those parameters are specifying about the signatures. Okay, now we will see a demo program which is telling about the function overloading. We are having a class. Within the class, we are writing few variable names. Suppose class sample. Few functions are written there. Void test. Then nothing. SOPL nothing. Void test, which is having char C, one SOPL char argument. Then we write void test with the end argument, SOPL one end argument. See, this is only a demonstration program. Okay, now void test enter A comma into B. Okay, two variables are written here. So I give one explanation. SOPLN two ends. So like this you can write any number of functions. Now within the main, what we are going to do, that is what is to be seen now. Void main. Okay, here we are just calling the function test with the file. So here, without giving any if statement or the switch statement, any selection statement, the Java will select one function from the list of 4 functions here. Okay, depending on the argument which is given here, it will go for a matching process. Then here it has got an integer value. From the list of function definitions, it will try to find out an appropriate function which is having the same signature. Okay, so is there anyone which is having the same equal one? Yes. This function will be automatically executed. So here we can say the function overloading is possible when the signature is different and the name of the functions are to be same. Okay, the signature is different means in the number of arguments, the data type of the arguments as well as the order of arguments. Okay, anyway. Now the 5 is matching appropriately with this. Next one we are giving test with the 5,6, 2 integer arguments. This will select this function even though we are not giving any if or the else statements. I hope you understood. That means the compiler is automatically selecting the functions which are to be executed. That is what is the advantage of the function overloading. In your question paper, there will be questions from the function overloading also. As I said, you please go through the 10-year question paper, try to solve all the questions one by one in your copy, then you try on your PC. Okay?